How to make name label stickers in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a name label stickers into your Canva website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. It is not going to be a matter only of having this onto a website, but it is going to be specifically on designs. So what we're going to do now is going to be very easy. Head over your design and we're going to head over it, or basically I'm not going to use the design first, but what can I do instead is head on over the templates and type in stickers. On the stickers, we're going to find all the stickers, but we need only to see ones that has names on them. For example, like this one, that one, this, that, whatever. So I'm going to choose this, for example. I'm going to choose the medium, the large, the whatever. So 10 centimeters, 5 by 5 is fine. So we can go ahead and start setting up for example, the names. Like here we have accessories shop. I'm going to let it up like that. I'm going to choose only the sport 2025. Here we're going, let's see here, what do we have? Basically, it is not a text. This is an image. So we can go ahead and have, for example, our name here. Jack Smith, for example. Now we can go ahead and have these labels or these names set up just like that. You can go ahead and delete this if you do not want the sticker or you want to add more options. It is going to be up to you. So you can go ahead and do the best right there. After that, you are going to only share it and download it and also print it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.